Hey everyone, it's Zach, and today we have some major beauty headlines introducing the So Pretty palette by Formula Z. More pretty please, discover our ultimate transformation shadow palette to take you from day to date night. Complete with 6 richly pigmented shades and 3 different finishes for anytime, anywhere. Create infinite soft glam to full flirty looks with one collection of nude shades that are anything but neutral. So pretty, you'll want to use it every day. Alright, let's get started. So I went ahead and applied my foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my precision brush. This is the Z Overload Transformation Brush, and you can use whatever eyeshadow primer works best for you. And this is amazing. So I'm going in right here. And this is going to just make sure that the shadow is going to stick all day and doesn't move. So I like to take my primer all the way up to the brow. And this is gonna really help define the brow more. And it's also gonna make sure that the primer and the shadow just really sticks all day. So I'm taking the Z Overload Transformation Shadow Brush and I'm popping this right on the brow bone, and as you can see, it's so richly pigmented and buttery. And I'm popping this right on the brow bone. Same thing on the other side. And this is really just gonna highlight the brow bone, and we wanna accentuate the areas and make it pop out. Same thing with the inner corner. Actually, I'm just gonna stick my finger in it so you can see how richly pigmented it is. Look at that. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Bam! Wow. Do you see that? How incredible that is? I mean, it's absolutely magnificent. The pigmentation is absolutely incredible. And this palette is 100% cruelty-free and vegan as well. Alright, so next I'm taking the shade Regal, which is a really nice transition shade. I like to tap my brush to get the excess dust off, the fallout. And I like to just go in and create that nice transition shade right here. Gorgeousness. So before I do anything else on my eyes, I wanted to give you a shade breakdown of what is in the So Pretty palette. This palette contains 2 mattes, Regal and Star, 2 foils, Opulent and Legend, and 2 pressed glitters, Empire and Icon. Opulent is a metallic beige, Empire is an opalescent sparkle, Regal is a matte cashmere, Legend is a matte chocolate brown, Icon is a rich copper sparkle, and Star is a metallic golden bronze. Alright, so next I'm going in with my Z Overload Transformation Shadow Brush, and I'm taking the shade Legend right into the crease. This is a rich chocolate brown. And I'm smoking it out. Oh my goodness. Look at that pigmentation. Alright, so next I'm taking the shade Star, which is this amazing gold shade. It's gorgeous. And I'm taking this on the center of my lid. You don't even need to activate it with like setting spray or anything. A lot of shadows you actually do, but this one is so buttery that you can just place it on the lid itself. And that's the cool thing about our shadows. They're so buttery that they just go on the lid, and you don't even need to put setting powder under the eyes because they really do have minimal fallout. So I'm really proud of our formulas, 2 years in the making. Okay, so I'm just applying Legend to my lash line, and this is just gonna help define it a little bit more as a liner. So next I'm applying my favorite lashes and my favorite mascara, and I'll see you when I get back. Alright, so I put my lashes, mascara, and lips on, so that means the look is now finally complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this tutorial and the introduction of the So Pretty palette. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!